What is going on, my fellow market feasters? So today what we were going to look at is some channels and some chart analysis and finding these patterns to help you become a more profitable trader. As some of y'all might know, I've got a TikTok with about 62,000 followers, and you can only fit information into a 60-second video on there, so I figured why not use YouTube as well to provide my audience with information so they can get more information than what just TikTok has to offer. Okay, so let's take a look at Amazon right here, and you might notice I've created a channel right here with these two red lines, and what they represent is where Amazon trades within the channel. So here the channel starts at the top, boom, 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 bounces off the bottom, boom, off the top, off the bottom, off the top. Some confusion here with their price action, boom, off the bottom again, off the top, and down to the bottom. So what does this all mean? This means that you can find a strategy with channels that helps you discover reliability to a degree in a stock. So what this is a pattern, and patterns tend to repeat themselves, but they don't have to. So if we take a look right here, they're at the bottom. So if they stay in the pattern, what they would do is bounce up, and you could get some pretty good profits if you catch this. If not, they might break the pattern and break down. So let's take a look at another stock. Let's go ahead and look at Jumia, the Amazon of Africa. So I've created another channel here, and at the bottom it starts here, boom, bounces off the top, some confusion in price action, decides to run up, boom, bounces off the top again, boom, bounces off the bottom, and now we've got a little bit more confusion. Jumia likes to do that before it bounces. So what you can infer here is they're either about to reverse, just like they did here, or go down to the bottom of the channel and bounce back up. That is if they stay in the channel. There's always a chance they break it, but the more they stay in it, the more likely they're going to keep staying in it. Okay, let's look at one more stock here, Apple. So at the bottom of the channel here, they started, and boom, 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 run up, boom, bounce off the top, off the bottom, some confusion here. And then what ended up happening is they actually formed an even smaller channel, but it was more upward rising of a channel. So good and bad. Bigger channels, you can get better profits, but it's upward moving, which is a good thing. So boom, off the bottom right here, off the top, off the bottom, confusion, off the bottom again, double bottom. That's a great thing in the channel, which helped it run way up, and then break down, and now it's at the bottom right here, right at the bottom of the channel. So Apple is either about to bounce very, very hard off the bottom of this channel, or they might break the channel and then break down as a stock. So we'll have to keep an eye out for that. Okay, well that concludes my first video. I know it wasn't extremely informational or detailed, but I just kind of had to get that first one out there to my audience, and definitely look forward to a lot more videos and a lot better videos coming very soon. Happy trades. Be sure to like and subscribe.